Guys, welcome to Syntactic YouTube channel, and on this channel I create tutorial for beginners and intermediate developers. And if that sounds interesting, make sure you watch this video till then and also subscribe to my channel. And in my last video I get a comment from Zeshan Ahmed right here, and these comments make me to be amazed and impressed that I was able to make impact to one or two people. And the comment says, please can you tell which is the best website for clip art image? And I'm going to be revealing some websites, like 5 websites that will help you to level up your UI skill. And the first website, so I'll be starting from the last one, that is freevector.net. And right here, and this website adds some little vectors you can use for your website, and also is search bar for searching for keywords, and I'll be searching for soccer. iStock. Okay, so this website has a lot of clip art and other similar images you can use to level up your skill on your website. I think this one is from iStock, and this one are based on charges, so you have to buy them. You have to purchase them on their website, and there are some free images you can use without subscribing or buying their plans. And that's right here. Okay, right here, this is another image, so you can find as much as you want on this website. Okay, this is Lionel Messi vector image, and with this image you can get at least free image that is worth of designing and making your website look better. And this the fourth one on the list is flat icon. And right here, flat icon. And I'll be also searching for the for the soccer. Right here. And these icons are pretty impressive, so let me click here. And here, so you can click to download as SVG or as PNG, but to be able to use the PNG and other SVG files, you have to subscribe to their premium plan. And I'm downloading the file, and now you can see it's saved as PNG. And the third one on the list is let's say PNG3. Okay, this is PNG3 right here, and this website have more than enough for you to create your website. And let me search for the word soccer again. I'll be using all this the word soccer to search, and look, this is a nice image for your website. I think this image look very impressive, and this website there's some free and paid plan. You can see here upgrade to premium plan and get license authorization. So this website have a lot of impressive clip art and image. So yeah, look here. I think today they are having a 85% off, so that sounds interesting. Sorry for my voice. I think I'm having some issue with the recording right now. And the second one is Andro. Let's click on browse now, and look, very impressive, very impressive, nice and clean. You can use this website UI and you can download it for a SVG project and also as a PNG. So if you download it as SVG, you can change the color with your CSS. Okay, right now, and you can get more than enough for your website UI. And the last one, which is my favorite one, and most people don't normally think about this website, and that is Pinterest. Yeah, Pinterest. So for Pinterest, you get as much as you like on clip art. And you can also get some image for your website. You can see here clip art, and let me click on rainbow. You see here, and I'll be searching for the word soccer again. Sorry, not rainbow soccer. Soccer clip art. Nice. As you can see here, see some clip art and nice image. And this image is from PNG tree. Wow, very impressive. And with this website, you can improve your UI skill. And if you are interested in my other videos, make sure you subscribe to this channel, and if this video helps you, smash the like button. See you in the next video. Peace out.